coming for you. See my guy for Yankee. Uncle Sochi, celebrate your birthday. God bless you. Alright, can we have the mother of the bride on the dance floor? Go to Yaba. Can you see again Mbe's wedding gown? So beautiful. Whoever made it, God bless you. Or maybe see something nothing wrong. Wedding gown, totally car park. Oh wow. And so, ladies and gentlemen, Mommy, give me my boss so that camera can pick you. Can you please come to the video? This is the video right here. That is it. Mommy, and face your daughter. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you mother and daughter dance with DJ Betty. Sound it, let's go. Mommy,
Thank you very much. We just put this all the way down. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Body to bring it down. Ṣé Yorùbá bí mo kò sọ ni wọ́n ṣe náwó lọ. A lè náwó tó bá ń ṣe worship concert gan.
To my mother, Mommy. huge pain. Thank you for giving up the most important things in your life so that I could have the most important things in my life. Thank you for raising me to be the strong woman I am today. You are the best one. This is for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bride just presented to her mother a special gift. Can we open our hands together for her? Thank you very much, Teacher Pitty. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Are you done with the photographs? Thank you. If you love your mother and you know she's going to be alive when you're going to be celebrating your children's children. A round of applause for the mother of the group, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And it's allowed.
To my dearest mom, I want to say thank you for bringing me to this world. Thank you for being the best among all mothers. I am so proud and lucky to have such a wonderful mom like you and helping me be the independent part of my life. I love you, mama. Yeah, that's it.
Chairman Shea, thank you very much. Thank you.